Hello everyone. Today, I will be discussing CSS in 5 minutes. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets and it is a language used to style web pages and web applications. For example, you can use it to change the color of text, background images, font styles, etc. In this video, I will be giving you a brief overview of how it works and how to use it. First, we'll look at the basics of how CSS works. When creating a web page, you first use HTML to provide the structure by adding elements like paragraphs, headings, and more. After the structure is there, you then add CSS to style the elements. You can use styling such as fonts, colors, and background images so your page looks exactly how you want it to. Now, let's look at how to use CSS. In your HTML file, add a style tag with a set of curly braces. In between the braces, you can define the elements you want to style. You use selectors to target the element and then you'll add the styling code. This code consists of property value pairs. The property is the styling you want to use such as color and the value is the value you give to it such as red. We covered a lot in a short amount of time and I hope you feel more informed about CSS. Thanks for watching and don't forget to stay tuned for more great content.